Oh shit.
Here we go.
Oh fuck, it's a bird! Hi, birdie.
Oh shit. Holy fuck. Oh. Let's cut it right there.
I got
Cut it
fucking
right
dust in my eyes.
Oh shit. Where are we going? Turn right there.
It's down here.
What the fuck is this?
Oh. I just thought. What the fuck is this? I'm so confused.
What the fuck is this?
Where does this even take us?
Right there.
Bro, those birds, bro.
Yep.
That's a brick wall. So hold on.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this. Should I stop this?
Maybe I'll fuck it up some more.
You wanna?
I heard ducks.
You guys ready? You guys ready?
Oh shit. Oh.